survive, you earn your freedom, you earn your freedom.
Jump out on the up, try do him like Tekken. Right hand on his fuck off weapon. Ask what his life could have ended. I've been in the trap with members, 10 man step, it's a CB section. They do it for clout and mention. I do these drills, don't show no repentance. They telling me stick to the music, you're gonna go far, just make sure you do this. 2 hands on a grip and use it. How many ops got cuts and bruises? She's pissed at the life I'm choosing. We look strips, pop those and juice them. Free D out of the candies, known in the bits as a local nuisance.
Throw this on snap, get whacked for your chat. YD, I'm your local sav. Fly up T-cross mat, serve them jumps and it's back to the flats. None of my batch take chat. Don't dash when you saw that whack. And I had my ZK on the means. It was bait face so I could get back. Still talking that pending case cause it's fuck them JC just get man mad. Till the broskies glad right now until SV pattern that cab. We sweep their block and I know they're mad. Get through when I lurk round Crabtree flats. 10 toes and man did it with caps with the gang. They're mad how you don't get slapped.
I got shits like Jason Voorhees, swing it with force, might take out unis. I've been doing this shit since 14, get left in the pool like talking chlorine. D1 must be taking morphine, car banged him and I made his jawline. Man, all of my ops on bore me, they got no heart, froze up when they saw me. I'm taking risks on a strip, grind 24s, don't care about kicks. In a trap with licorice riz, wrapping up with to go feed them nits, man. How many man did dash on kids? We lurk on the block, Rambo's on hip. Boy, don't trip, cause you will get fished. Boy, don't trip, cause you will get dipped.
You can call us the get back gang, my whole block way too diligent. Any IC3 man drilling them, non-stop pokers attention to finish them. All of my GG's militant, ready to bark and slap at them idiots. Try run still digging them vigorous, like how left his chest all hideous. The beast frying it sizzling, 2 in the night, don't ask who's winning it. Got poked out horrid, he should've turned ghost like that movie Insidious. On tots man's living it, wax we're filling it. You on the strip man spinning it. This war is limitless, guns get pivoted and crash at any affiliate.
I don't take vibes, I slide for my goons. Lately I step out, I step with 2. And next time that I see that you, I promise you gon' be on the news. Man, I can get locked real soon cause there's evidence of me serving food. If bro's on you, then I'm on you too. I'll back his beef card, that's my bruise. Ride out on ops, man, I take that risk. I'm tryna put anything 6 in my wrist. They don't come outside to the bits, I swear they also my father kids. Capping my rap, no fucking fibs. We lurk on the strip, hella man did sprint. Man did dash, they don't wanna get chinged out. What did dash, they don't wanna get skinned.
YD, I'm a wall, no sav, my works on pays, made hella man dash. Man's been baking off in all with cash. Age 15, had about 2 racks. Can't keep man chat if you ain't got a rack. The 6 is brass and they do it for the snap. I been had bando problems. Age 14 when the first on the trap. Me and had to do that dash, flew out the window, hot the fence and dash. And we chased down his pussy, he didn't wanna spin back. Man know on my croft block sav, constant sliding shit gets mad. Man know on my croft block sav, constant sliding shit gets mad.
Out my culture now, I gotta get low. They ain't know we bang blacks.
Can't picture my prophecy. Stress in the city, the cops are topping me. The project is full of bullets, the bodies is dropping. Ain't no stopping me. Constantly moving while making millions. Witnessing killings, leaving dead bodies in the abandoned buildings. Carries the children cause they're illin'. Addicted to killing and the appeal from the cap villain. Without feeling, but will they last? So be blasted, hard-headed bastard. Maybe you'll listen in this casket, the aftermath. More bodies being buried. I'm losing my homies in a hurry. They relocating to the cemetery. Got me worried, stressing my business blurry. The question is, will I live? No one in the world loves me. I'm headed for danger. Don't trust strangers. Put one in the chamber whenever I'm feeling this anger. Don't wanna make excuses, cause this is how it is. What's the use unless we're shooting? No one notices the youth. It's just me against the world, baby.
Tasty, stone to kick it, so I gotta get hot. Trey shot that nigga out my culture, now I gotta get low. I ain't no city boy, cause I love my bitch. Nigga, but that don't mean that I don't love my hoe. Niggas try to smack me up, so now I'm raising hell. Don't try to damn me, little nigga, you are not my bro. Trey shot that nigga out my culture, now I gotta get low. They ain't know we bang blacks, well, welcome to the club. Niggas always talking hard and running their mouth. Until I kick down their door and run in their house. Had they mother on the floor with the gun in her mouth. Like, what's that shit up on the ledge your son was talking about? I put that on my son that I'ma take it there. That's where you come from, I'll come, I ain't playing fair. My little homie died, I ain't drop a chair. I just rolled a spliff and put it in the air. I'm big on that tune, niggas know I'm bull. I look a nigga in his face like who you talking to. I need 25K or I ain't walking through. I need 25K or I ain't walking through.
Bro, I just need a 183-pound Malaysian slut to come over and fucking hang me upside down on a meat hanging hook and beat the living dog shit out of me while she fucking insults me.
That's a rare breed. They don't really...
So I literally just clipped that. Like, that's going straight to the soundboard. I hope you know.
Okay, thanks.